Welcome everyone. Have you ever wondered how AI can redefine our technological landscape? Today, I'm thrilled to share with you how we can optimize large language models using a combination of vLLM and Triton on the NVIDIA Jetson AGX Orin. If you've been captivated by AI and its potential, this is the video for you. The NVIDIA Jetson AGX Orin is a powerhouse that brings AI capabilities to edge devices. With its impressive 64 gigabytes memory, you can run complex models seamlessly. Imagine deploying a large language model that is capable of generating human-like text at incredible speeds almost anywhere. It's like having a supercomputer in your hands. Let's take a deep dive into model optimization. By utilizing vLLM, we can effectively manage memory and processing power, maximizing efficiency. In fact, depending on your configurations, you might find that average generation throughput can reach astonishing numbers, potentially up to 18.4 tokens per second. Now, let's shift gears and talk about Triton Inference Server. This open-source framework allows developers to build AI applications quickly and efficiently. Imagine a scenario where you can manage the loading and unloading of models effortlessly. This is where Triton shines, offering you the flexibility you need for your projects. At its core, innovation thrives on collaboration. We owe a big thank you to talented individuals like Johnny Nunez-Cano and Dustin Franklin, who have made vLLM support on Jetson devices a reality. Their relentless work encourages us to think outside the box and push the boundaries of what's possible in AI technology. How can all this benefit you? Imagine deploying a chatbot that can answer queries instantly with high accuracy. This means fewer hallucinations and more relevant information to your audience. With the right parameters set in your RAG pipeline, your applications will deliver an exceptional experience to users. Picture this. You send a request to the model to generate text, and within moments, it responds with insightful content. The seamless integration with Triton allows for real-time adjustments, making your application not only powerful but also flexible to user demands. Isn't that incredible? Listening to user feedback has been inspiring. Developers share stories of how vLLM's quantized models have transformed their applications, delivering sizes that require less memory while maintaining impressive performance. These testimonials truly reflect the positive impact of leveraging advanced AI tools. When we talk numbers, it's all about performance metrics. With Triton and vLLM, you have access to insightful data about your model's performance, everything from average prompt throughput to generation speed. Keeping an eye on these metrics can guide you towards making impactful optimizations in real time. As we build this exciting AI community together, your insights and feedback are vital. I'm committed to improving the quality of these discussions and ensuring that our content resonates with what you want to learn. So please don't hesitate to engage, share your thoughts, and let me know how we can make this journey even more enriching. Behind the scenes, I am tirelessly working to enhance our video quality, ensuring you get the best content possible. Together, we're crafting a space where enthusiastic minds can come together to discuss and innovate in the world of AI. I greatly appreciate your support and any suggestions you have for future content. In conclusion, the potential of AI combined with frameworks like vLLM and Triton opens up a world of possibilities. The NVIDIA Jetson AGX Orin isn't just a device. It's a gateway to transforming how we think about AI applications. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I can't wait to see where we go next together.